Did you look? Oh, okay. Did you look over here? Look at the seashells, y'all. Pretty neat. Liberty County. Barbecue chicken and ribs. All right. Appalachian Trail. Thank you for the coffee. All right. There's Poppy.
Right outside it.
Fixing to start driving.
Yeah.
Y'all better hang on.
Want your drink up there?
There ain't nothing in it. You can just take it and move it over to the other side.
Seatbelt on. In the air. Cesar Garcia, welcome in. Winter, Georgia. Headed to Atlanta. Douglasville Exit, half a mile. Ooh. Yeah.
WCKS, Crowhead, Carrollton.
Yeah, the first station I turned to. That's right.
It's 102.7.
That's exit 34.
Yeah. The wreck down here, though.
Yeah. Oh, man. Well, looks like we're gonna be stopping a minute. We got a wreck up ahead of us. Hopefully we'll make it through it soon. Must be backed up a little distance.
Yeah, it's way up there. I can see the truck's way back there. Way up there. Ride with me.
We're backed up in some traffic.
Is our car smoking?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, baffled. It's checked already. It's out over where the smoke's coming from. We'll figure it out when we get somewhere and it stops on us.
There's something that'll have what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know